When people gossip about you behind your back, keep in mind that they took time out of their miserable life to consider you. It's likely that one of you is still in love or never was if you maintain contact after terminating a relationship. The law of life is that you must eventually grow old and that you cannot always remain young. The biggest human tragedy is that we spend our entire lives trying to escape from who we are and the people we care about most. Today, give someone a smile, love someone and make a miserable stranger's day better. Don't treat your own woman like a monster while treating others people ladies with respect. You are very blessed if you have a friend with whom you can share your emotions and communicate at any moment. Get married to the one who calls you after a fight to reassure you that she won't leave you no matter how terrible things get. When you tell a nice lie, everyone loves you. When you tell them the bitter truth, they think you are being impolite. Men grow bitter and begin to view women as gold-digging vultures who only care about getting free food and expensive gifts. That is not true. Not everyone is materialistic. Women merely desire your love and attention. Some claim that waiting for someone is painful. Some people claim that forgetting someone hurts. The hardest pain is to experience when you are unsure whether to wait or forget. The ideal relationship is one in which both parties work towards improving, strengthening, and enhancing one another. When men see a woman's nakedness, they will first look at her breast before looking straight down at her pussy. A man's sense of humor and sarcasm can influence and persuade women. The struggle between what you think in your intellect and what you feel in your heart is the most difficult.